When building a new wooden house, the volume of work is very large and requires a lot of woodworkers. Therefore, it's very tough for you to hire skilled and uniform carpenters. So using machine-made wood joints is extremely necessary. The precision is by no means bad. A prefabricated joint is more precise than one made by hand with poor skills. Of course, with craftsmen some are good, others not so good. It's fine if only people with excellent skills make these joints and build houses, but occasionally, you'll get someone who doesn't. In this case, there's a possibility that prefabrication will provide a more uniform, better outcome. With prefabrication, they don't really have as much variety and types of joints. Most splicing joints are kamatsugi, and most connecting joints are ari of a dovetail type. It's even all the same dovetail. In comparison, we use roughly 10 times that in variety, perhaps more than 10 times. I wonder what it is exactly. You have something that is fast, easy and cheap. Yes, the question is which is better in comparison. I mean, there's no point in having a joint made without precision. If you can't chisel with a certain degree of accuracy, there's no point cutting by hand. We often say, work accurately and precisely. It's labor-intensive and costs some money, but it's overwhelmingly stronger. The structure becomes more solid.